Good afternoon to everybody. Today we speak about week number 7, about 6 course. Buenas tardes niños y niñas, vamos a trabajar la semana número 6. Aquí nosotros tenemos una lectura, por esta vez va a poder imprimir, solo las lecturas imprime y pega para poder realizar los ejercicios. Escuchárame por favor, solo las lecturas, los ejercicios usted tiene que hacerles a mano. Read and underline the adjectives. Hello, my name is Maura. I am Irish from Dublin, so the Republic of Ireland, or Eire. And today is one of my favorite, the first adjective, favorite days, because it's March 17 and it is St. Patrick's Day. Of course, it's our national day when we celebrate St. Patrick, or patron saint, who brought Christianity to our land. So we are going to celebrate. Can you imagine? I am going to go the big, another adjective, big parade in the street of Dublin, where I live with all my family wearing green costumes, green hats, shamrocks in the bottles. Mom has even dyed her hair green. Then we will have a big party, another adjective, big party at home. We have prepared a bunch of s'mores from our garden. Remember, the national emblem of Ireland. We have decorated our house green. Our mouse of Ireland, which is the call of Esmeralda Island. And of course, we're eating green food. All the food for the party is green: apples, lettuce, cucumber, olives, spinach, pistachio, cake. The bread for the sandwich is green too. And to drink green meat with lemonade. That prefers green beer. For that tomorrow is going to be a difficult day. You have another adjective, difficult day. My cousin in New York and Chicago in the USA are celebrating too. Yes, why in Chicago the ever color river green? So yes, it's going to be a great day for us all. Okay? After the reading, you answer the question. Say the statement are right or wrong, and correct. Those are the wrong. The person speaking is a boy named Ian. No, it's a girl. It's wrong. Right here, wrong. And the correct answer is the person speaking is a girl named Maura. A girl named Maura. A girl named Maura. Yeah. She lives in Northern Ireland. So in Republic of Ireland, about my favorite days, it's true. It is true. Right. So today is 17th of March. Number 3. In the reading, today is the 17th of March. Yes, this is right. Right here, right. The people celebrated the revolution. Celebrate the St. Patrick or same or patron saint. It's just wrong. The people celebrate Saint Patrick or patron saint. Saint Patrick is a patron saint of Ireland. True. It is right. The main color associated is blue. This is wrong. The main color is green. This is wrong. The main color is green. The main color is green. They do nothing special on that day. They is wrong. They do many special activities. This is wrong, and they do. This is. Leave the answer here. Aquí está. They do many activities. They do many special activities in this day. She's going to Victoria in the capital. This is right. The capital of Ireland is Belfast. Yeah. The capital of Ireland is Belfast. This is right. The main emblem of the tree is a leaf of sharecrop. The main emblem is the tree leaf of sharecrop. This is right. Another name of her tree is clover. Yes, this is right. After the parades, Myra will go to home and eat it. My family shower. round. This is around. They will have a big party. This is around. Maura will have a big party. Maura will have a big party. They haven't decorated their house green. This is true, because this is the color of the St. Patrick. This is right. They wear orange and the color for his Irish flag. No. They are going to wear green. This is around. And the correct answer is they are going to wear green color. The answer is green. Also as the color of the Irish flag. They are going to eat green food? Or yes, this is the right answer. Yeah, this is all for this video. In the next video we do the homework number 7. Ok chicos, esto es todo por el video de hoy. En el próximo video veremos la tarea número 7. Muchas gracias.